Imagine eating breakfast this morning. Well, an hour later, every cell in your body has begun receiving fuel from that meal. Have you ever wondered, how does breakfast get from your stomach to your brain, your muscles, your heart, and your kidneys? Well, today we're going to answer that question. Last time, we learned that digestion doesn't actually create energy. It simply breaks food into tiny building blocks that your body can absorb. Today's question is, once those nutrients enter your body, where do they go? The answer begins with one of the most remarkable transportation systems ever created. At the end of our last episode, glucose and amino acids crossed the wall of the small intestine and entered tiny blood vessels. Most fats entered the lymphatic system before eventually joining the bloodstream. Think of the small intestine as a shipping warehouse. Packages have been prepared. Now they need a delivery service. That delivery service is the circulatory system. Something many people don't realize, nutrients don't immediately circulate throughout the body. Almost everything absorbed from the small intestine first travels directly into one remarkable organ, your liver. Think of the liver as your body's central distribution center. Every package is inspected. Some nutrients are stored, some are processed, some are released immediately into circulation. Your liver decides what your body needs now and what should be saved for later. It's one of the reasons blood sugar normally stays within a fairly close, narrow range throughout the day in a healthy individual. Once those nutrients leave the liver, they're carried throughout the body by your bloodstream. Imagine America's interstate highway system. Major highways branch into smaller roads, then neighborhood streets, until finally they reach the individual homes. Your circulatory system works the same way. Large arteries become smaller arteries, called arterioles, then tiny capillaries. These microscopic blood vessels deliver nutrients to virtually every cell in your body. Now here's the fascinating part. Even though glucose has arrived at the cell, it can't simply walk inside. Every cell has a protective outer membrane. Think of it as the front door of your home. Some molecules can enter easily. Others need special transportation proteins. And some cells, like muscle and fat cells, often rely on insulin to help glucose enter efficiently. Now, we've delivered the fuel, but we still haven't reached the engine. Today we learned that digestion prepares the fuel, the bloodstream delivers the fuel, and the liver manages the distribution. And next time, we arrive at one of the most important moments in the entire story. How does glucose actually get inside a living cell? Because once it crosses that membrane, the process of making energy can finally begin. I'm Dr. Bill Pierce. Thanks for joining me as we continue our journey from food to cell. 4 things to remember. Digestion prepared the fuel. The bloodstream delivers the fuel. The liver is your body's distribution center. And the cell membrane controls who gets inside. In the next episode, we actually enter the cell. I hope you'll join me.